Ever wondered what it's like to work with a legend? Let us take you through the unique bond between two Hollywood stars, Halle Berry and Pierce Brosnan, which went beyond just being co-stars. And have you ever heard of an unforgettable partnership between two actors that left a lasting impression even years after their collaboration? That's exactly what happened when Halle Berry and Pierce Brosnan worked together in the iconic James Bond film Die Another Day. And during an interview with Wired, Halle couldn't help but express her admiration for Pierce, stating, "Pierce will forever remain my Bond. He restored my faith in men during that film. Such a gentleman." Indeed, their chemistry transcended screens, leaving both fans and critics captivated. Interestingly enough, while many dreamt of joining the prestigious world of espionage fiction, Halle admitted that playing Bond wasn't something she aspired to do. However, sharing space with Pierce Soda made her feel connected to cinema royalty. She explained, "The movies are legendary. They're part of our culture's history. It's an honor to be part of one, particularly with Pierce." On the flip side, Pierce, who brought life to James Bond in 4 films from 1995 till 2002, passed on the torch to Daniel Craig. Despite appearing in fewer 40 feet Bond flicks compared to his successor, Pierce confessed that he could relate more to Sean Connery's era of Bond rather than the latest iterations. But rest assured, his opinion doesn't undermine Daniel's performance. Quite the contrary. According to Pierce, Daniel is incredibly brave and strong. And with speculations around who would step into Bond's shoes next, reporters asked for Pierce's insights. His response? Indifference. As he put it, "I'm intrigued to see who they choose, whoever gets cast. I wish him luck." And now, for a little humor twist, why don't we call James Bond Jimmy? Because then he'd have to stop seducing women and start asking them if they can't want to play hopscotch instead. With that said, thank you for spending your time with us today. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue bringing you exciting stories from the enchanting realm of entertainment.